Cooling measures again in September 2022 when the previous round of cooling measures were in December 2021? What? How will this impact the property market? Shalom everyone, I'm Julia from Property Jupes. Today on Juice with Jupes, I'll be sharing with you what we can expect with this new round of cooling measures. Do hit the like and subscribe button for more of such videos. In September 2022, the Singapore government released another set of property cooling measures. This new set of cooling measures comes less than a year from the implementation of the previous round of cooling measures, which happened in December 2021. Back then, the cooling measures included an increase in ABSD rates, tightening of the TDSR, and an increase in MOP period for new prime location HDB flats. This latest round of cooling measures primarily targets at moderating the demand in the HDB market and can be briefly summarized as such. The first one being an increase of 0.5% to the medium-term interest rate floor, which is used to compute the total debt servicing ratio and mortgage servicing ratio framework, which means buyers with a joint monthly income of $12,000 that intend to take a loan for 25 years, they can purchase a property of up to 1.67 million as compared to 1.76 million previously. That's approximately 5.2% lesser. The second being the tightening of the loan-to-value limit for HDB loans from 85% to 80%. This means buyers looking to purchase a resale HDB of say 600,000 will need to fork out an additional 30,000 cash or CPF. Previously, the down payment from cash and CPF was 15%. It's now 20%. Third, private property owners have to wait 15 months after selling their house before they can purchase a resale HDB. Previously, private property owners had the option of purchasing a resale HDB before they sold their private property and were required to sell off their private property within 6 months of the HDB flat purchase. The 15-month wait-out period, though, doesn't apply to private property owners above the age of 55 who want to purchase a resale 4-room HDB or smaller. Of these cooling measures, the most shocking and unexpected one is the one which targets the private property owners. The rest of the measures, which revolve around tightening the loan amounts, are what have been deployed before, when prices of housing are high and also in anticipation of increasing interest rates and cost of living. So, what can we expect from this round of cooling measures? A recent survey done by our research team showed that a significant portion of million-dollar HDB flat buyers are actually previous private property owners. Out of the 26 interviewed, 12, which is 46%, almost half, indicated that they purchased a million-dollar HDB flat as they were downgrading from their private property. As such, with the immediate implementation of the 15-month wait-out period, we'll likely see a reduced demand for million-dollar HDBs. With resale HDB flats not being an immediate option for private property owners below the age of 55, private property owners who had the initial intention of purchasing resale HDB flats or those who had just sold their private property prior to the announcement of cooling measures, they will likely turn towards purchasing mass market condominiums or executive condominiums as they are more affordable. One thing to note is that there will be approximately 31,000 HDB units that will fulfill their 5-year MOP this year, and within this 31,000 lie potential condominium upgraders. As such, there will be likely increased competition for mass market condominiums and ECs in the 1-point-something million range. Private property owners who intend to sell their house and move to a HDB would likely only be motivated to sell their private properties at a price that will cover their 15 months wait-out period's rental. If you're not a landlord, it's probably a good time to be one. There will be buyers who are waiting to wait the 15 months after selling off their private properties to buy resale HDB flats instead of turning to the mass market condominiums. Such buyers include the private property owners who are en-bloc owners who plan to move to a HDB after their condominium en blocs. This means that if they don't have any alternative lodging arrangements, they would have to rent in the interim. The rental market is already seeing a huge demand from those who are waiting for their HDBs or new launch projects to be completed that have been delayed due to COVID, as well as the foreign workforce that are returning now that borders have opened. With rental prices already high due to that, we are likely going to see even higher rental prices. If you're about to make the next move for your property journey, be it to invest, upgrade, cash out or right size, there may be changes in terms of your financials, affordability, timeline for sale and purchase, as well as your options for your next place of residence due to the current measures. Leave a comment on this video or contact me on any of my socials and I'll be happy to run through your options with you. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button and share this with anyone who you think may benefit from this. I'll see you soon. Bye!